Hi everyone, Ms. Prestano here. Just going to show you a couple more options you can utilize when you're creating a Google Slides. So we already have our presentation up. We're doing an exploration presentation. Here's my title slide. Here's one of my info slides with some information on it. So let's say that I wanted to bullet this list here. I don't really want to make it a paragraph. I want to have bullets. I would select this button up here. Okay, you can see it looks like it has bullets and some writing next to it. If you wanted to do numbers, it would be the same thing. You can number it 1, 2, 3, and so on if you chose this one. So I'm going to do bullets. I'm going to click the drop down menu, and then you can pick what type of bullets you want. I'm going to go with stars. Okay, and I had put my cursor in the beginning of that sentence beforehand, so that's why the bullet appeared there. So the sentence, I'll do the same thing. I'll put my cursor before that sentence, and then I will select the star bullet. Oh, sorry about that. And then from here on out, if I click to go to another sentence or another line, the star will automatically appear. So he thought he landed in India. It's all about Christopher Columbus. He sailed the ocean blue, landed in Hispaniola, and he thought he landed in India. Now, if you don't see that button up there, so sometimes if you had another option selected before that and you had a menu on the right side like this, see how the bulleted option went away? All you have to do is click the more button. So these 3 dots here, if you click that button, it opens up the options that you can't see right here. So these were all the options that were taken away from the menu bar because of this here. Okay? All right, so that was bulleted list. Numbers, you do the same thing. A couple more things we can do is to change the background. So if you go to slide and you click change background, you can change the color of the background. You can click any color you want. You can also click gradient, and that shows you like some textures and stuff too. Or what I like to use is the image function. So you could choose an image. And then if you have a picture on your computer, you can look for it and upload it there. If you found a URL, you could use that. But what I do the most is I go to the Google image search. So I click that. And then right here, I can search for the image I want. So he sailed the ocean blue. I want a picture of the beautiful ocean as my background. So you find a picture, you click it, and you click the insert button on the bottom right. And then you click, there it goes, done. And there's my picture. Now notice I can't read my wording there too good, so I'm going to highlight it and I'm going to change the color of it so we can read it. So after you highlight it, you can go to text color, which is right here, and maybe the white might be a little better. There we go. And I'm going to bold it too. Now, say you really like the slide that you created and you don't want to have to recreate it all over again, you can simply just duplicate the slide. So you see we have 3 slides here, right? You select the one that you want to duplicate. So that's my number 2 slide. And you select the menu button here, slide. And all you do is click duplicate slide, and it'll create a new one right under it. Now, why should you do this? This is good for if you want the slides to look the same, but you want to change the info. So then I might come here and I might want to change all this. I don't necessarily want it to say the same thing, but at least now I already have my bulleted list going. Okay. What else can I say about Christopher Columbus? He was sent by the King and Queen of Spain. And you can add more info. So I don't have to go back and click the bullets, choose the stars, choose the background. All that's done already. So that's a good function to remember. So again, you click slide and duplicate slide. Now the last thing I want to show you is how to add transitions in between your slides. So if you click on one of your slides and you click on, again, the slide button, you can go to the transition option. It's going to open up a menu on the right hand side. You click the drop down menu and you can, these are your different options: dissolve, fade, slide, so on, so on. I'm going to do a flip. I'm going to play it to test it out. Okay, looks cool. And then if I'm going to apply to all slides, so it's going to do it for all of them. And then you can click presents and you can see how it works there. There it goes.